This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locating the barcode quickly on the tongue, inner label, or shoebox. Open your preferred scanner app or the camera in barcode mode. Grant camera permission if prompted. Once done, gently wipe the label and lens to remove dust or glare so the code reads cleanly. You hold the phone steady about 4-8 inches away. Adjust distance until the app focuses. Make sure to disable flash if it causes reflection and switch to manual focus if needed. Next, align the barcode inside the app's guide frame and keep your phone parallel to the label to avoid distortion. You tap the screen to lock focus or wait for autofocus. A steady hold prevents motion blur. If the code doesn't scan, rotate the shoe slowly to reduce glare, try a different light angle, or switch to a higher resolution scanning app. If the label is worn, scan the box or receipt barcode instead, since alternative codes often contain the same product data. Finally, verify the scan result by checking the SKU or UPC against the shoe details. You want the product name and size to match. If the app returns no result, manually type the UPC digits shown on the label into the app or a search engine. If problems persist, switch to a dedicated barcode scanner app, improve lighting, or scan the shoebox barcode instead. One troubleshooting tip: if glare prevents reading, place a thin diffuser like a napkin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.